How did a small landlocked town in Idaho, 336 miles from the Pacific Ocean, become home to a massive seaport responsible for 10% of all U.S. wheat exports? Deep inside America's Pacific Northwest, 700 feet above sea level, lies the quiet town of Lewiston. Despite sitting hundreds of miles inland, Lewiston operates as the most inland seaport on the West Coast. It sits at the beginning of Marine Highway 84, a crucial river corridor along the Snake and Columbia rivers. Every year, immense quantities of grain flow through this facility, destined for international markets in Asia and Mexico. By using this water highway, agricultural producers eliminate the need for over 113,000 semi-truck trips or a freight train stretching 362 miles. Harbor silos collect grain from 8 surrounding states and Canada before loading it onto giant hopper barges. These colossal vessels, ranging from 270 to 400 feet long, are strapped together into four-barge tows and guided by powerful tugboats. However, keeping these heavy loads afloat requires constant engineering intervention. The natural river sections are often only 6 feet deep, far too shallow for massive grain barges. To maintain navigation, federal fleets use giant mechanical scoops and suction drills to continuously dredge the riverbed. They carve out a regulated channel at least 14 feet deep and 250 feet wide. Once underway, vessels face another massive obstacle, dropping 700 feet down to sea level. To conquer this steep descent, engineers constructed a system of 8 giant locks and dams along the river route. These structures act as a massive water staircase, functioning like giant hydraulic elevators for cargo. A single 4-barge tow carries as much grain as 960 semi-trucks, stepping down the river in just 48 hours. It is a quiet marvel of modern engineering, feeding the world while keeping highway asphalt completely untouched. If you enjoyed this story, hit subscribe for more incredible facts and untold stories from history. See you in the next one.